In today's video, the IRS is planning to deny thousands of pandemic ERC claims. So make sure you stay tuned and welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. This information is being shared from irs.gov. Now, following a detailed review to protect taxpayers and small businesses, the Internal Revenue Service announced plans to deny tens of thousands of improper high-risk employee retention claims while starting a new round of processing for lower risk claims for eligible taxpayers. The completion of the review provided the IRS with new insights into risky employee retention activity and confirmed widespread concerns about a large number of improper ERC claims. According to the IRS commissioner, he stated they will now use this information to deny billions of dollars in clearly improper claims and begin additional work to issue payments to eligible taxpayers whose claims does not show any red flags. The review involved months of digitizing information and analyzing data since last September to assess a group of more than 1 million employee retention claims representing more than 86 billion filed amid aggressive marketing last year. Now, during that process, the IRS identified between 10% and 20% of claims fell into what the agency determined to be high risk, which shows clear signs of being fake claims for the pandemic ERC credit. Tens of thousands of these claims will be denied in the coming weeks. The high-risk group includes filings with warning signals that clearly fell outside the guidelines set by Congress. I will put the previous videos on the ERC credit and exactly what that credit is and how it can be claimed. I will pin that video in the comment section as well as in the description box. Now, also between 10 and 20% of the ERC claims show low risk. And for those individuals, the IRS will begin processing more of those claims with no red flags. The IRS anticipates some of the first payments in that particular group will go out later this summer, but the IRS is emphasizing that these payments will go out dramatically slower than normal. So make sure to expect delays if you did claim the ERC credit. The IRS also noted that generally the oldest claims will be worked first and no claims submitted during the moratorium period will be processed at this particular time. Taxpayers with claims do not need to take any further action at this time. You should wait for further action from the IRS. The agency emphasized those with ERC claims should not call the IRS free hotlines because additional information is generally not available. During the ERC review period, the IRS continued to process claims received prior to September 2023, and the agency processed 28,000 claims worth $2.2 billion and disallowed more than 14,000 claims worth more than $1 billion. The IRS continues to urge those with unprocessed claims to consider the withdrawal program. So if you believe you were tricked into claiming the ERC credit, you still have time to withdraw that claim with the withdrawal program listed on the IRS website. All right. The IRS has determined that more than 12,000 entities filed over 22,000 claims that were improper and resulted in $572 million in assessments. This initial round of letters covers tax year 2020 and finally criminal investigations. As of May 31st, 2024, the IRS criminal investigation has initiated 450 criminal cases with potentially fraudulent claims worth nearly $7 billion. In all, 36 investigations have resulted in federal charges so far, with 16 investigations resulting in convictions and 7 sentencing with an average of 25 months. The IRS has thousands of ERC claims currently under audit. The IRS is also conducting promoter investigations. They are gathering information about suspected abusive tax promoters and preparers who improperly promoted the ERC credit to those who were not eligible. The IRS Office of Promoter Investigations has received hundreds of referrals from internal and external sources, and they will continue civil and criminal enforcement efforts of those scrupulous promoters and preparers who fraudulently claim the ERC credit. Make sure to share this video. Make sure to share your comments with us. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to come back for more 2024 tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.